Now, Olympian Ackeem Blake sped to a meet record victory in the men's 100 meters to highlight the Velocity Fest track and field meet on Saturday night at the National Stadium. Blake sped to 9.96 seconds, the second fastest time in the world so far this season, to win the event ahead of Nigel Ellis 10.11 and Brian Lavelle 10.19. Two-time world junior champion Tina Clayton secured victory in the women's 100 meters on the night. Clayton clocked a season's best 11.17 seconds to win ahead of Natasha Morrison 11.29 and Serena Cole 11.30. In the field, a Paris silver medalist Shanika Ricketts opened her season with 14.18 meters to take the women's triple jump. Ricketts reflected on her season opener.
Good season opener. Anything over 14 meters is considered a good season opener. So I'm happy with where I'm at. To come out and to finish healthy tonight, I'm just grateful, and I'm just hoping to see what this season has in store.
Meanwhile, Sean D. Thompson of Sprintech leapt 16.25 meters to win the men's triple jump.